Morning, mommy. My mom's afternoon. It is afternoon. My mom's making a sandwich. I'm gonna make myself some corn tea because I love corn tea. Hey y'all, so my hair's a little bit of a mess, but I just dropped off my mom and I grabbed our lunch. So yeah, excited to eat it. I'll show you guys what it is when we get home. As I forgot to do like the full intro, I just wanted to say today is the 12th day of Vlogmas. It is December 12th, and I don't know what I have planned today, but we'll see as we go about our day. Yeah. Okay guys, we're home now. Let me try and open this up for y'all so you guys get to see what we're having for lunch. Ooh, okay. I don't know if you guys can see these, but we are having pho. Yeah. So excited. Boom. Modern Family and pho. Shopao. Wait, Dad, we have to get one more.
No,
Or Kuya.
get Kuya to point.
Ah.
Left hand, right hand.
This one is pork. This one is chicken. Oh wait. Or is this one chicken? Or is this one pork? Either way, it's shopao. I am opening up the shopao. So slay. I love shopao. A good go-to snack.
That's what I was thinking on the way home, was that you need to pass by somewhere. So I thought, oh, the kids would like shopao. Right?
Yes, we love shopao.
Okay.
There we go.
How long do you think?
I don't know.
2 minutes?
Me and my dad are grabbing food that we are possibly gonna eat for dinner tonight.
Possibly.
And we are at
Disney. No?
M&M Food Market. Yay! So we didn't really get anything.
Yes,
I
we did.
got a shepherd's pie. That is all. But we're heading to Ikea and we're hoping to buy meatballs there because apparently they're cheaper there. We are at the Ikea. It is really windy, but we're at the Ikea. Okay, we're inside now, and I think we just found the meatballs. Guys, I don't know if you guys remember, but throwback to the Ikea video. Horses. I wanted a snack, so I got a hot dog and a juice. Yeah. Hot dog. And you guys are on my juice right now.
Go eat your things so we can walk.
Hey guys, first bite. I finished my hot dog. I have apple juice. I'm an apple juice enthusiast. I will choose apple juice over orange 100% of the time.
Banana juice.
Anyways, cheers. Oh my gosh, there's horses on this throw also. Dad, we need to get one.
What? We need to throw the horse?
No. Guys, look. Christmas decorations. It's like a Christmas themed house. That's so cute. Well, Dad, look. There's a turkey. Let's take a look.
Who wants a wing?
Guys, look. There's another horse. Guys, I think I found the ultimate horse display. It's on literally everything. Oh my god, Dad, a horse apron. Horse sponge. Dad, we have to get the horse sponge.
There's horse bags here.
There's horse bags? Wait. Horse horse bags. Horse luggage tags. Guys, it's a horse tote bag. Like, look how cute. Oh. Okay, so we're in the holiday sale section, and we've discovered that we think it may be gnomes this year as the theme, because the gnomes are back, but the horses are not. I don't know where the horses would have gone though. So okay, we got the meatballs, we got the lingonberry sauce. We unfortunately couldn't get gravy because they didn't have any.
We'll make those.
But we'll find some at home. And we got cinnamon buns. Bye, Ikea. Ikea later.
Ikea later.
I'm back home.
Freeze it and it just holds its shape.
Try, guys. Try to make s'mores without a recipe.
If you microwave it, it grows. Certainly the greatest challenge of today is figuring out what the marshmallow is.
We're having meatballs, mash, and gravy. Woo! Scoopski potato. Kuya, you want some scoopski? Scoopski potato. Scoopski potato. Woo. And some for myself as well. Scoopski potato. Yay. Hello guys. It do be the end of the night, end of the Vlogmas today. So, you guys know what that means. Our specialty here, the chocolate. So today was December 12th. So it was the 12th day. So I'm going to eat the 12th chocolate. After looking, I found it. The 12th chocolate of the month. Let's see what it is. It is, oh my god, it's a little toque. That chocolate, man, stays delicious. I know I say it every night, but like, seriously, can't wait for tomorrow's. Today was a pretty chill day, but yeah, tomorrow is gonna be exciting because we have a little bit more than what we did today, a little bit more eventful things going on, but hopefully I don't forget to film it. Anyways, but that's it for December 12th Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.